Welcome to all. In this presentation, going to discuss about refrigeration and the terminology. The refrigeration is the branch of science which deals with the transfer of heat from a low temperature region to a high temperature region to maintain a space or region at a temperature lower than that of surrounding. Ton of refrigeration. 1 ton of refrigeration is the amount of refrigerating effect heat removed produced by melting 1 ton 1000 kg of ice at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 210 kilojoule per minute, 3.5 kilowatt, which is equal to 1 ton of refrigeration. Give the property of the refrigerant. The saturation pressure of refrigerant at low temperature should be above or equal to the atmospheric pressure. The latent heat of evaporation at low temperature should be as high as possible. The specific volume of refrigerant should be low to reduce compressor size. Refrigerating effect. The amount of heat extracted from a space or region in a given time is known as refrigerating effect. The name of 4 commonly used refrigerants are air, water, carbon dioxide, CO2, ammonia, freon 12 R12 and freon 22, which is called as R22. The COP of a refrigerator, the performance of a refrigerator is expressed in terms of coefficient of performance COP, which is defined as the ratio of refrigerating cooling effect to the work input required to achieve that cooling effect. Air conditioning is the process of treating air in an internal environment to achieve and maintain required standard of temperature, humidity, motion and cleanliness of air regardless of surrounding condition. Saturated air and degree of saturation is the most moist air which contains maximum possible water vapor. Degree of saturation is defined as the ratio of actual humidity ratio to the humidity ratio of saturated air at the same temperature and total pressure. The humidity and absolute humidity is nothing but humidity or moist is the amount of waste vapor in air. Absolute humidity is the ratio of the mass of water vapor in a given volume to the mass of dry air in a given volume. The relative humidity of air is defined as the ratio of actual mass of water vapor to the mass of saturated vapor produced in a mixture of air and water vapor at the same temperature and pressure. Our relative humidity is defined as the ratio of partial pressure of water vapor in a mixture to the saturation pressure of pure water at the same temperature of mixture. Dry bulb temperature is nothing but the mixture is a temperature measured by an ordinary thermometer placed in the air vapor mixer. Wet bulb temperature is the temperature measured by the thermometer whose bulb is covered by a thoroughly wetted cotton wick. A dew point temperature and a dew point depression also defined in this topic. The dew point temperature of an air vapor mixture is a temperature at which the vapor starts to condense when the mixture is cooled at constant pressure. A dew point depression is the difference between the dry bulb temperature and the dew point temperature dpt of air vapor mixture. Then sensible heat factor and RSHF. The sensible heat factor is the ratio between total sensible heat to total or sum of total sensible heat and total latent heat. RSHF is defined as the sensible heat load in room divided by the total heat load in room. ERSHF effective room sensible heat factor ERSHF also is equal to ERSHL divided by ERSHL plus ERLHL. Effective room sensible heat load ERSHL, effective room latent heat load ERLHL. The significance of RSHF in summer air conditioning. Since their inception, air conditioners have provided a great service. Not only do they cool your home's interior air and create a comfortable environment, but they also improve the air quality inside your house. Modern units are equipped with a washable or disposable filter media that discourage allergens and pollutants from circulating throughout your interior spaces. For more information on air conditioning history and air conditioner maintenance and service, talk to your local HVAC specialist. Gross sensible heat factor and effective sensible heat factor is defined as the gross sensible heat to the gross total heat. Effective sensible heat factor is defined as the effective room sensible heat to the effective room total heat. How does humidity affect the human comfort? The humidity plays an important role in maintaining the human comfort at high humidity level. The real feel of the temperature becomes high, and at low level, water loss from the body increases. Maintaining an optimum level of humidity 40% to 60% ensures a better human comfort. Within this, I will conclude this presentation. The next presentation will be followed from this continuation. Thanks.